Hey, hey. I always like to wait with when I have that little spinning circle to make sure that I'm connected before I just start talking. There we go. Hey, hey, hey. I've got another box that I want to share with you guys. Now, this one is going to be a little bit different. It's going to have some. Wait, this is my order. This is things that I order because I wanted them. And then it also has some consultant supplies in it. It's another big box. So let's jump into it. How about that? Lots of paper, packing paper, tons of packing paper. This time of year, if you want to build like a bonfire, this packing paper comes in real handy. It also comes in really handy when you're wrapping Christmas gifts. If you like to do like a rustic look around your tree, this paper is perfect for that. It's kind of a light tan color, and you've probably gotten some in some of your orders. All right. Shall I start with the supplies and then move on to the other goodies? Let's do that. Every year, Scentsy gives us a planner. And if you're a planner person, then you may be familiar with the Happy Planner style, which is the disc bound. That's what this is. This is a new planner for next year. I don't know about y'all, but I will be so glad to see 2020 gone. And it's cool, 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 cool. Love it, love it. And I also got some, that's not it, some extra inserts to go with it. Pretty cool. Love that. Some more consultant supplies. I have some product lists that I can send out to you guys. Put them over here. And I have some new brochures that I can send out to you guys. These talk about the joint opportunity. If you or anybody you know might be interested, let me know. And then I got a couple of different kinds of they're scent stickers. You guys are going to be getting some of these in some Happy Mail that I'm going to be sending out. I got maple apple bourbon, candied cranberry and pecan, and first day of fall. I only got those three because that's all that was available. All right. Now, I ordered me a couple of warmers. Shh. Don't tell the husband. This one is the Hello Fall warmer. And I think it's actually called Fall is Calling. Yes, Fall is Calling. But I stared at this warmer and stared at this warmer and stared at this warmer and thought, I don't know. I've got a lot of fall warmers already. But then a friend of mine got hers, and the description she gave me, I was like, okay, I gotta have it. As you guys may know, when you open up your warmer box, you've got a little quote here. This is over here is the Scentsy mission, but you've got a quote here, and it's either from Heidi or Orville, our CEOs. This one is from Heidi. I love to read them because they're always inspiring to me. This one says, life can be hard sometimes, and we all need a little shade. Without shade, we can't appreciate our time in the sunshine. Wow. That's pretty powerful, right? I kind of feel like we're going through some shade right now, dealing with all this COVID mess. Yeah. Okay, here's my dish. This will give you an idea of the color. It's kind of a tannish off-white. It's hard to see in this light color. And I'm not even going to rebox this when I get it out because I'm going to put it out tomorrow. So set that down out of the way. And This one has almost a mason jar kind of look. Actually, if you think of the old-fashioned crock, the big crocks like they used to churn butter and stuff in, kind of reminds me of that, except that it's squared. Look at this. And this right here is textured. You can feel the texture on that. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. The dish, the cord is down inside there, so the dish is not going to fit on there right, but we'll go right there. And of course there's the bulb in there. But the thing that got me about this warmer is this right here. This. This is a real leaf, guys. That's been... It's gold. It's gold. How gorgeous is that? And it just hangs to the side. When I first saw it, I thought it was probably just, I don't know, raffia or something like that. And this raffia goes all the way around the top, by the way. But then, like I said, my friend told me, no, that's a gold leaf. It's actually gold. I was like, I gotta have this. I have got to have this. So I love it. Love it, love it, love it. There's the bottom, of course. Got holes for the light. This will be a good one in a bedroom because you're going to have minimal light that comes out of these holes. And you can place it just right to where that light won't bother you. I love this. This is going out tomorrow. I'm going to put it out somewhere. I just don't know where. Don't know where yet. Okay. And then I got a new one for my bathroom. I've had my eye on this one for a little while as well. And this one I love because, well, I'll show you. The quote on this one, these also have quotes. This one is from Orville. And this one says, our lives are full of meaning because of your lives and the impact we have on the world together. I love that. Love, love, love that. This is actually a mini warmer. So there's my base. And in case you didn't know, these bases on the mini warmer, okay, you've got the 3-prong plug, see? But maybe you're thinking, wait a minute, that would be upside down for my bathroom. There's a little button right here. You push that button in, voila, it turns. You gotta get it pushed in all the way. It turns, and it will fit any direction that your plug is in. Like upside down, sideways. I know it's hard to see that. It'll fit it however your plug is. I love that. Because sometimes in bathrooms, your plug may be upside down, or it may be sideways, or who knows what somebody was thinking when they put it in. It doesn't matter because the base will adjust. Okay. This little warmer is called Seeing Stars. And what I love about this, I love the patriotic effect of it. It's little stars. Little stars, and it's going to sit on the base right there. And the thing is, we have colored bulbs in the size that will fit this. So I'm probably going to put a blue bulb in this and put it in my bathroom. A little handle. How cool will that be? That would be so cool. I'll post some pictures of it when I do that. But I wanted to share this with you guys because I thought y'all would enjoy. Not to mention that I haven't been live in here in a long time. So that's all I got for right now. So if you saw something that you like, let me know. Let's get you fixed up. Let me get you set up with your own personal shopping link. There are some of you that need to do that because you buy regularly and you're not getting any rewards. So I need to set you up with your own personal shopping link, which you will use every time you order. And if you know of someone that wants to order, they'll use your link as well. And when you get to a certain point, you'll start building rewards. You can choose to cash in your rewards right away, or you can just keep building them. let's do that for you, okay? Let me know. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. And if you saw something you like, let me know. I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now.